The first public beta of the new iOS 27 is just around the corner. We're actually now just days away from the release of the first public beta, and of course a lot of people are waiting for this release to actually update to iOS 27. Now, iOS 27, even though it's not as big as iOS 26, it is still a great update, and in my opinion is even better than iOS 26. Everything has been improved, and this is basically what iOS 26 was supposed to be. Everything is super smooth. Liquid Glass now has a slider where you can set the intensity, and everything runs as it should. And of course, we finally have the new Siri added to iOS 27. But if you want to update to iOS 27 public beta, you will have two different choices. So in this video, we're going to talk about that. I will show you guys how to update to iOS 27 public beta. Now, of course, here you will have two different options. One of them will be very simple. One of them will be a bit different. If you're on iOS 26, any of the versions of iOS 26, and you want to update to iOS 27 public beta, then the process will be very simple. It's pretty straightforward. You go to your settings, go to general, software update. Once you go here, you will see the beta updates section. You go here, and on this Monday that is coming up, you will see here on July the 13th, I believe it will be, you will see here the public beta just underneath the dev beta. You select it, you come back here, and you will have the update for iOS 27 public beta. You can go ahead and just update from that. But if you want to update from iOS 27 beta to iOS 27 public beta, which a lot of people actually want to do, even though I don't suggest you do that because it's the exact same update, then you will have to make a choice here. First of all, if you're on iOS 27 beta 3, then you won't get the public beta once it's out, because the beta 3 is basically the same update as the first public beta. But if you're on beta 1 or beta 2, then what you can do to update to the public beta is, without updating to the third beta, which will be right here on your screen when you go to the software update, you go here and you turn the updates off. And then when the public beta is out, you go ahead and select the public beta. You come back here, and then you will see the public beta update here. You can just go ahead and update your device right away. If you have already updated to the third beta of iOS 27, but you would still like to update to the public beta, switch from the dev beta to the public beta, then what you have to do is, when the fourth beta of iOS 27 is out, which will be like a couple of weeks away from now, that will actually be right here on July 20th. Before that update gets out and you install it on your device, then you go ahead and turn it off here. You turn off the beta updates and wait for the second public beta of iOS 27. Once that's out, then you can go ahead and turn on the public beta updates, and you will see it right here. That way you can switch from the dev beta that you might currently have on your device to the public beta of the new iOS 27. So that is it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and found it helpful. If you did, smash the like button and subscribe for more. I'll see you guys on the next one.